Now you can line up the latch for the deadbolt. Just match it up to those screws. And then we're gonna trace around here. It looks something like that. So now I need to mortise this out, which means basically just take off enough material so that this sinks in and it's flush with the door right here. You can use a router for this, but you might not have a router. So I'm gonna do it the way I would do it if I didn't have a router, which is with a knife, a chisel, and a hammer. The reason I use a knife is I can get a nice precise line cut on the edges here, and then when you come up to the round spots right here, you can just kind of go around like this, dig the knife in. Yes, it takes longer than a router, but it gets the job done. Check it. That's actually pretty good. And make sure where it says up, you put that up. And with this, you can twist it, and that extends this right here. So if you had that bigger offset, the 2 3/4 offset, that's what you would do, is spin it. But this is 2 3/8 right there. So up, going up. And put the short screws in here. It's nice and flush against there. Looking good.